Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Priscy's Kitchen. Super thank you to all my lovely subscribers, followers on Instagram and Facebook. In today's video, we are making a simple food that Ghanaians love so much, AngwaMo oil rice. And I have some cucumbers, I have some fried eggs and avocado, and also some corned beef, shito and grounded pepper. Let's get started. So in a clean bowl, just add some oil, let it heat up, and then just cut your onions. Yes, I'm just using one medium-sized onion. You can use the white one, shallots, or the purple one that I'm using right now. So my oil is hot enough, so I'm just adding my onion to it. I did not take all the onion because I'll be using some to fry my eggs later on. Make sure you fry and let it become brown. Don't let it burn, because the onion, if it turns brown, that's you're gonna get the flavor or the taste that AngwaMo carries. Okay, so you see how mine is. Make sure it's like this, don't burn it. Okay, now I'm gonna add my rice to it. This is 4 cups of rice. I've already washed it nicely. You can choose to wash it, you can choose not to. It's not all the time that I wash my rice, but today I just wanted to wash it. And after washing and adding to your onion and oil, make sure you give it a nice stir. You fry with the onion for about 5 minutes or 3 minutes, anyhow you want it, but I fry for about 5 minutes. You know why I do this? Because it's gonna give me this texture that I want, like kind of starchy, stretchy, that thing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I added a little bit of water to it, and make sure you stir it nicely, gentle on it. Okay, it's your own food. Now I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. If you want more salt, please make sure you add to your taste. Okay, do what the family likes, okay, or your visitors or even your friends like. But don't overdo it. Don't let it be too salty. Nobody will eat that. Now I covered, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for 20 minutes, and I came back to check again. Now you can see it's already coming out beautiful. So continue to stir until the saucepan says, "Oh, why are you stirring so much?" Yes, because you don't want your rice to burn. Now after stirring, I will continue to cover. I'm trying so hard to make it look good. I don't want half to be cooked and half not to be cooked. So make sure you stir it nicely. So I covered, and I will leave it for about, now it's on low heat. So I'm gonna leave it for about, let's say, 20 more minutes for it to finish up. So while that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and grind my pepper in my asanka or apotoria. I have some onion, small garlic, small ginger, my scotch bonnet. Actually the English name for this is earthenware. Okay, so if you have this at home, you can use this, or you can use your blender. But back home in Ghana, we didn't have any blender. This was our blender. So since we traveled, we are still using it, because, and when you grind your pepper in apotoria, it has this flavor, this taste that you love, that the blender will not give you. Yeah, that's why Ghanaians love apotoria. Ask any Ghanaian, they will tell you. And even when you eat your fufu in this apotoria, you will love it. Now I'm gonna grind my fresh tomatoes together with the scotch bonnet, onion, ginger, and garlic. So make sure you do the same thing. And I added some small salt to taste. Now there are some people who like they like to add some cube, like Maggi cubes, onga, or whatever. Just add any spice of your choice and add to it. Okay, now you see I did justice to this tomatoes and the fresh pepper. It's smooth and nice. Now I'm gonna take this into my bowl, and I'll keep this aside. gonna rinse this because I'll be serving my rice in the earthenware. So now I will start with my eggs. I'm gonna fry 2 eggs, and I have some carrots, green pepper, fresh tomatoes, and some small onion. I'm gonna add everything to it, and I will add my salt to taste, and I'll give it a nice stir. Make sure you stir it nicely. So in case you have large family, you can make it 4 eggs or 5 eggs. Anything that works good for you, do it. Now I'm going back to check the rice, and it's really done this time. Yeah, you can see it came out in singles, and I love that. And I love the texture of the rice. It's kind of starchy, stretchy. I just love that. Now it's done. It's done. So I'm gonna start with my eggs. Now I have this old frying pan. This frying pan, it's 6 years. Yes. When I started Abrabono, and on I'm a toy first, it was set. I'm a toy. I love this frying pan. Yeah. So just add your eggs to it and make sure you fry it nicely. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Priscy's kitchen. Oh yeah, boy. The eggs look so perfect and good. Yeah, this is how you have to do it, man. So after frying, guys, don't mind me, okay? Don't mind me. I'm so happy because AngwaMo, it's representing this afternoon. So just fry it nicely. Now everything is set and done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then serve my rice. Now I'm gonna take a lot of rice into my earthenware, and I don't want you guys to think that I'm gonna eat all that. No, it's for presentation purposes, okay? So add the amount that you think you can eat, but the ayua, it's too big. Kanzo is representing. Yes, this is Sister Kanzo. Na her sina Kanzo na ya kono. Ayekama. It's very simple to do. Just do this, guys. Just do it. Now I'm just gonna move that aside, and oba penny inchifua. Fried eggs kono. It's representing. Yeah. Or that Sister Kanzo inching. And then I'll just go ahead and add my cucumbers. Yeah. Now I got this cucumbers idea from Obape's kitchen. Guys, check her out. She's the best. She's the best. And I'm adding some avocado to it. Just a small slice from the avocado. I'm just adding to it. And I added some corned beef and my grounded pepper. And lastly, I'm gonna add my black chili sauce or sheto, and we are done. We've come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me. Click on the notification bell to get all the new updates if you haven't subscribed yet. Until then, I will see you another time. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.